all the student of class 2, after completing the page number 6 boxes, means the things which can roll, the name of the things which can slide, and the name of the things which can slide and roll both. After complete these 3 boxes, you just come to the 8 number page, because 6 number page already we have discussed in our previous class also. Now come to the 8 number page. So what they are saying, that try to play with a coin. So they are telling you to hold a coin like this. So on your book how it shows, just hold it like this, and then after that with the another hand you have to be just make it like this. So you have to be just give the coin like this, and like this, and then after that like this. So you will see that the coin will start spinning. So now the question is, does it look like a ball? Does it look like a ball? Yes or no? Yes. So with your pencil write down over there yes. Okay. Now the second question, does a coin roll? Does a coin roll? Does it slide? Try. Now they are asking that does a coin roll and slide? Does a coin roll? Does a coin roll? The first question they ask, yes or no? Yes. So you will write down yes over there with your pencil. Now the next question, does it slide also? Yes, it can also slide. So you will write down yes. Okay. Can you make a 1 rupee coin stand like this? So can you make a 1 rupee coin stand like this? Can you make it stand like this? Yes or no? Yes, we can. So you will write down on the blank that yes, we can make it stand like this. So try doing the same using a 2 rupee coin and a 5 rupee coin. So today, after complete all the classes, means today's class routine, you just tell your parents to give you a 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and 10 rupee coin, and do the experiment, because at home you are now staying at home, so you can do the experiment. Okay, tell your parents. So just place as because you are not in the classroom now, I can't tell you. So if it is the floor, then place it over like this, and then after that give a like this, and it will start spinning like a ball. So it's a very fun game. So all right, 4 minutes left for the class, so we will not start the new chapter today. Next day we will start the new chapter. So overall from this chapter, what the things we learned, the name of the long things, the things which are looks long, the things which looks round, and then after that the things which can slide and round, and which can both round and slide both. So this is the topic of your first math chapter. Now tell me, from this chapter, do you have any query or anything that you can't understand? Then you can ask me. Without any hesitation, you can ask me. I will explain you. Do you have? If you have, then you can ask me. No problem. Okay. It means that if any day suddenly I take one test, then everybody can do it, isn't it? Does it look like a ball? Yes. Does a coin roll? Yes. Does it slide? Does it? It is not is. Does it? So it will be yes. Okay. Priyanshu Ganguly. All right. Now Arithro Sheth. It's a erythrocyte coin. Jar. A jar can roll a slide. Funnel, gas cylinder, dice, suitcase. Okay, erythrocyte. All right. Anushka Nandi coin. Duster. Anushka Nandi. Duster. Duster. Okay. Audrija Kole. Okay. All right. Devayon Malik wheel gas cylinder. Bucket. BUCKET. Bucket coin. Okay. All right. So from which day on potato? A potato can slide. Really? A tomato, a potato, a onion can slide. It can roll, but it can't slide. Write down coin, wheel, drum, bottle. You can write down. Those can slide and roll both. Okay? It's a Priyanshu Ganguly. Priyanshu Ganguly. Tomato, onion and potato. Wrap these three. Coin and wheel is alright. With this you can add the glass part. Okay? Glass you can write down or water bottle. So today up to this much we will do. On the next class we will do the next part. Okay? Bye bye all of you, and everybody give present. Okay? I will do it.